Let me introduce you to the Luxja carrying case for your cutting machine. This is the Cameo 4. And this does fit in here, and the straps will come up and they barely hold it in there, but they do work. You can just strap that in and then go ahead and zip it up. I did find that it is a little bit snug to zip. This side here seems to zip a lot easier. So if you're using a Cameo 4, you're just gonna have to be careful, but this zipper seems really tough, that it can handle a little bit of extra stretch on there. And then it's just like this one corner where the screen's at that is a little bit difficult, but it can be done. So there's the Cameo 4. And then there is room up top here for you to put in different supplies. These ones here will hold some vinyl rolls in there up top, and then you've got more spots right here to put, you know, small glue bottles, pens, and another little zipper pouch here. So that makes it really easy to take this with you to go places. So there's your Cameo 5 strapped in, and then this one's really easy to zip up. There's plenty of room. And then you also have these ones in the front here, perfect for putting glue, little notepads, tweezers, all your little gizmos and gadgets go great in here. And then the other cool thing about this, on the back, you have this slot here, so it will fit over your rolling bag. And you also have, you can carry it here as a hand with a duffel, or you've also got the padding here so you can carry it this way, and this strap is adjustable as well. So I definitely recommend the Luxja carrying bag for your silhouette. This is Cameo 4 and a Cameo 5. Your portrait will also fit in here. It'll be a little bit smaller. So if you're looking for a go bag to take to things that you're going to be cutting at, this is the bag you want to grab.